The Artist Panel Unprimed Basswood panel is an excellent unprimed panel for artists who wish to personalize their painting surfaces. Crafted using a non-flexible 4mm basswood top, it's ready to seal and prime with the ground of your choice. Compared with other wood panels on the market, Ampersand's unprimed basswood top is sanded perfectly smooth and inspected to make sure it's free from plywood seams, knots, or patches that could lead to future cracks in your grounds and artwork. You'll see the difference immediately when priming an Ampersand Unprimed Basswood panel. Your surface finish will be smoother and won't exhibit any cracks or fiber raising on the ground. The ultra-smooth surface makes it the ideal and preferred surface for wood engraving, as well as mixed media techniques and collage. Additionally, encaustics adhere exceptionally well to the absorbent basswood. The unprimed basswood panel cradles are made with quality solid pine strips that can be finished with paint or stain. We've taken every step to create an unprimed wood panel that performs to an artist's highest standards without compromise. Ampersand's The Artist Panel Unprimed Basswood panel is available in standard sizes ranging from 4x4 up to 48x72 inches, in cradled formats with 7/8, 1.5, or 2.5 inch depths.